Welcome back, folks. Greg Silberman, your CIO, Alternative Investment Scout, for the next couple of minutes. Welcome back. This is another one of our Come Learn With Me sessions. We have a number of programs. You really should try check us out if you like our Come Learn With Me educational side. We've got a Looking Over the Manager's Shoulder, which is more of a manager-focused or investment-focused piece. We've got a piece called CIOs and Bow Ties, where I, spar with my buddy David Crook, who's more of the economist and a great market tactician. And so we speak about that. This is the Come Learn With Me. We've got other programs that I can't even remember them all now. So just check out below and see that. People ask, how do you implement some of these investment choices, Greg? And well, if you stick with me to the end of this piece, we'll flash a little URL you can follow and come learn a little bit more about our processes and philosophies. Silver price predation, prices breakout forming a reverse head and shoulder. Okay, so the institutional money world has got a love-hate relationship with technical analysis. They believe it's voodoo, which it might be to a degree. But they're not ready to give up on it completely, thinking there might be something there. So I like technicals. What can I say? All right, let's see what this is about. Silver prices surged higher, breaking out to 3-month high and forming a reverse head and shoulder pattern, which for you technicians would know that is a bullish sign. The dollar also rallied sharply, but US yields were unchanged. The bond market was closed in the US in observance of Veterans Day. Jobless claims hit a pre-pandemic low, which has helped to buoy gold prices. Let's just check the dates on this, guys. Okay, November 11th. All right, so that's 3 days ago. Great. This is fairly new. Hot off the press. Technical analysis. Silver prices rallied, breaking out and surging higher after falling to break through trend line resistance on Wednesday. Prices are forming a reverse head and shoulder pattern, which is the bottoming breakout pattern. Support is seen near the 10-day moving average at 24.15. We'll enlarge this in a second. Short-term momentum is turning positive as the fast stochastic generates a crossover buy signal. Prices are overbought as the fast stochastic is printing a REMA 99 above the overbought trigger level of 80. So this is highly technical, guys. Technical analysis. Medium-term momentum is also turned positive as the MACD, moving average convergence divergence index, generated a crossover buy signal. This scenario occurs as the MACD line, the 12-day moving average minus the 26 moving average, crosses above the MACD line. All right, it's accelerating higher, I think, for us non-technical folks. That's what you're saying. The MACD histogram is printing in positive territory with an upward sloping trajectory, which points to higher prices. Employment data is strong. All right, let's do into this chart. The main thing I think about when I think about technicals, guys, is the trend is your friend, right? The trend is your friend. So if the trend is going up, markets never go up on a straight line, of course. If you draw a trend line underneath there and it's continued to go up, the trend is up. This was a downtrend line. I didn't draw it, it was drawn in here. And the price has gone above the downtrend line. So the downtrend line is no longer in force. That's it. That's the extent of my, I know a lot about technicals, but that's how I use it. Here's the reverse head and shoulders that's being referred to. That's the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And the critical aspect is actually now passed above the trend, the resistance line of the neckline, is whatever. So this is actually a bullish chart. It's a 10-minute chart, the $25.25. I'm just curious. Let's see where silver ended the week. Silver rice. I don't know what silver rice is. Maybe it's highly valuable. Ah, there it is again. Okay, silver price, spot price, 25.45. 25. Okay, so we're probably a little bit higher. So that's good. That's a good indication. It's still good, still cheap relative to where it could be according to technicals. I'm just giving you the info as I get it. Employment data is strong. Employment data continues to perform, which could force the Fed to tighten sooner rather than later. Jobless claims. What happened to transient inflation? Okay, never mind. Jobless claims fell to new pandemic low, 267,000 last week, as the job market recovers from last year's sharp coronavirus downturn. Jobless claims fell by 4,000 last week. The Labour Department report Wednesday. The 4-week average of claims dropped by nearly 7,300 to 26. Also pandemic low. Well, there you go, guys. It seems like the silver price is reacting to something. Could be, higher inflation. All right. Thank you for joining me. Another session of Come Learn with Me. If you want to know more about our investment program, that's the URL you need to follow. And I hope you enjoyed our session. Stick with us if you like how we go about this and try and educate investors. Like and subscribe. Greg Silverman from Down Under. That's the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Out for now. Take care.